Welcome, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this short video, I'll be showing you how I move from this, as you can see, from blocking of books on my account to this. How I move from this to this. As you can see, my books are going live. So, if you love what you see, I'll see you guys. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give my videos thumbs up and comment whatever question you have in the comment section. I'll be there to answer your questions. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, I remember in the month of March, if I'm not mistaken, Amazon changed their content guideline. They adjusted, not changed per se. They adjusted some. So since then, most of us that have been to Amazon KDP for a couple of time, most especially we that have new accounts, we tend to over publish. As you can see, I have over 7 to 8 books. So this account you see here, I started this account in February and I published my first 7 books, which it went like. Immediately Amazon came in with the disappointing content guideline. Books started getting blocks. No matter what we did, books started getting blocked. Since then, I've taken a break on Amazon KDP because I don't have old account anymore. My old account got terminated in the month of October last year. You get so the account I've been working on. I started the account, this particular account, in February. So when we enter the month of March, everything changed. So most of us into Amazon KDP are find it difficult to publish book. Only people that has old accounts. And what do we mean by old accounts? Accounts that's up to 6 months plus. That's from the information I got online, basically on Twitter. So since then, I've been down. I couldn't work. I couldn't earn money because Amazon can be my only source of income when it comes to online space. So I just decided, okay, what's going on? So I'm making research. As you can see, books getting blocked. People says we need to upload and publish only the paperback. As you can see, this particular one that's the Open AI version versus this. I publish only paperback, still the same thing, gets blocked. I try another time, the Kindle and paperback gets blocked. So I kept trying till voila, I was able to get back to this. If you should notice this particular book here, it's the same book I have here. Let me scroll up for you guys to see. It's the same book I have here. So everything information is correct, it's just that they keep blocking it. So before we step in, I would like to show you the dates. Look at this date here. This book was I published new account. Basically, first step you need to do is create a new account, and there's a way around. Not just by creating a new account, there's a way around which I'll be sharing with you in this video. So if you should look at it, I published on I guess on the 6th or on the 7th. I'm not too sure. So the books went live yesterday. Look at the date here. Submitted May 8th, 2024. If you check out the date on my laptop now, today's date is 9th. So basically, these books went live yesterday. This one too went live yesterday. This one went live yesterday. So like yesterday night around 11, 12, before I go to bed, I published, let's say 11, I published this particular book, as you can see here. So the Kindle version went live the same thing yesterday. So as you can see, the paperback is still under review. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's just dive in. So first thing first, there's something we call Amazon uh, uh, Kindle Villa. I don't know what it is before now. So Kindle Villa is basically, as you can see here, it says creating and manage your Kindle Villa Studio one episode at a time. So number one is, if you are creating a new account, your new account should carry this thing. You should see it on your dashboard. There's a way around it. And how is it done? Don't worry. If you watch this video to the end, you'll be all your answers, all your question will definitely be answered. So first thing first, we need to create a new KDP account. If you are to start this, publishing your books, both the Kindle and paperback, you need to have a new channel. It's not a channel now, a new KDP account. And your KDP account must carry, after creating your dashboard, you must see this particular visit Kindle Villa in your dashboard. I don't want to go straight into it because we are not working on Kindle Villa per se, but you must have it on your dashboard. So without further ado, let me quickly create a new KDP account. So if you are new to my channel, let me quickly show you. If you don't know how to create a KDP account, Amazon account per se, I have come to my channel. As you can see, this is my channel on KDP. just scroll down, you see videos on just check around. You see videos on how to create Amazon accounts, how to create KDP accounts, this and that. You see it there from the beginning. Do you get? So basically, I have created an Amazon account. So that Amazon account I created before now, I'll log into the Amazon account. This is what I do. So after creating an Amazon account, I can easily create a KDP account out of it. You'll see what I will do now. Um, so I love using incognito tab because on this particular PC, as you can see, I have two KDP account logged in. Do you get? And this I'm just setting up just to set up this new KDP account. So I'm not using it to publish or anything. Just want to set it up because for the sake of this video. Do you get, guys? Nothing serious. So I'll try to log in this Amazon account per se. Amazon account. So once I log in the Amazon account, I want to be sure. So I'm trying to check the login from my phone if I'm correct or not. So I guess I can't find this particular one. Let's see. It's gmail.com. So I continue. Yeah, I have an account. Keep me login. Click on keep me login. Let's see. Please reset. Okay, send OTP. Let's see. To which email? So they said they want to send OTP to my email. Wow. So I need to look for the email on my phone just for security purpose. They need to just do all this shit. But I have no issue with that. So basically, once you have your Amazon account set up, okay, OTP has been sent. So from there we can now to 636672. Let's log in. Continue. Okay. So they asked me to reset a password. I'll do that now. It's been a while I created this account though. So okay, I didn't get that. Let's see. So that's what we face once in a while. Let's see. The password is not the password you selected is unavailable. So let me just create something I can remember. Let's see. Sorry guys. So let's see. Save change and sign in. Let's see if it works. Okay, successful. Then let's say continue. Come on, this thing is getting. Keep me login. Let's say. So I have OTP on my authenticator app. So just for security purpose, guys, nothing serious. This is a one-time OTP that changes every now and then. Don't require OTP on this browser anymore. So this is my Amazon KDP, not KDP now, Amazon accounts per se. So let's see. Let me come here. So for the sake of this account, I want to see the name I used there. I used Lola Tiwa, right? So now, if you already have an Amazon account, like I just did, just log into Amazon account. So next thing, just go to kdp.amazon.com. Logged in on the same browser. Just click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, this agreement to come up. Click on agree. So when you click on agree, voila, a KDP account has been created automatically. It's because you have an Amazon account. So as you can see, when we created the KDP account, what we can see here is just the normal KDP account for people that have been to Amazon KDP before. You understand? That's the normal KDP account. Let me show you the difference between this and this. As you can see, for this new one, it has this particular one, right? But for the people that are into Amazon KDP before, this is how our dashboard looks like before. But since the new account, it asks us to your account information is incomplete. Click here. So this is where you do the magic on getting that particular Kindle Villa on your dashboard. So when I was creating an account, I get to know that even the look of the KDP account has changed totally on how to set it up. So it has changed. So the magic here is follow every step I'm trying to show you in this video to get that in your to see that in your dashboard. So that being said, let me see the name I have here, which I can easily change later. I copy the name I have here. Just make sure the name is complete, is the same. That's for me. Not there's anything wrong about it, but for me, I love using the same name on my Amazon account and my KDP account in case of incasity. So you say individual, yes, click on individual. Now this is where the magic happens. For Kindle Villa that we mentioned earlier, Kindle Villa is for basically people living in the United States of America. Those are the people that have that on their dashboard. And for you to have that on your dashboard, automatically you need to make sure you register your account as if you are in the United States of America. And how can that be done? Once you get to enter the new address, click here for the first time, then says that you are in what, which country? United States of America. United States of America. Just select United States. Then address. How do we get the address? For people that understand this, go to Google, just type fake address in United States. Fake address in United States. You see, I love using the second option. It will pop up with different address that you can use. So I come here, copy. I come here, I copy it, then I paste it. So next is this is optional. I come to the city. I come to the city. What's the city? The city say Alaska. No, city say Jasper. City says Jasper. I paste it. Next is a state. I copy state, which is Alaska. Then I paste it. So this particular address too, as you can see, is not there's no anything asterisk because it's that's why they say it's optional. So I don't need to fill it. I'm okay with that. The next is postal code. Postal code. What's the postal code? Postal code says this. Come and copy it and paste it. That's postal code. Then click on use this address. Then click on I confirm this is a valid address. Then confirm. That's number one step. Number two step is phone number. What is your phone number? There's a there's a phone number here we can use. We can use the phone number here. We paste it. Don't worry, don't be scared. You have to be a US number. So I try to edit it to remove all the boxes or anything. Then I paste it. Bam. Not don't worry, the phone number they are not using it to do anything. They just need to be there. The next is your payment. So before now, if you don't have if you have a payment, you fill in your payment. But for the sake of this video, I don't have a payment in registered in that name. So I'll click on I don't have a bank. Do you get? I click on I don't have a bank, basically. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. But if you have a bank, you can easily add your bank details here. Then you move on. So for the sake of this video, I don't want this video to be too long. This is what you need basically for this place, this particular place to be filled up with the right information. Once you fill it up, come down here. The next thing is normal process of filling your bank information. If you don't know that, I have a video on that on my YouTube channel. So once that is done, you fill in your tax information same way you did for your previous Amazon KDP account. There's no magic around it. The only place you want to fill something on to have that is this particular place. This particular place that I have just done using the US address. Then once you are done, you click on save. Once you click on save, you are good to go. So let me just it says your account is incomplete because I have not filled my bank details and I have not filled my tax information. So guys, if you feel you know to feel that I don't want this video to be long, this video is already 14 minutes plus. Just feel free to come to my YouTube channel, then check out videos on how to remove the 30%. This I have it here, how to get Amazon KDP account. This is the same normal process of how to get Amazon KDP account. It has the removing of 30% tax. Yeah, it has how you can add your bank details to it for those that don't know how to do that. So once that is being done, set up the way I just explained, and you have successfully added your bank details, you have successfully removed the 30% tax information, you click on save, your account will definitely looks like this. Your account will definitely look like this. Definitely look like having this particular stuff. So once this particular Kindle Villa on your dashboard, another thing is you also see it here. See if you want to create a new book. Once you click on create, publish a new once you click on create, you see it there as well. I don't want to click on it because the network I'm using is not what I use for this particular Kindle account. So I don't want it to affect my account. So guys, without wasting of much of your time, I don't want to keep you waiting. Do that, and I bet you will be able to see this particular stuff on your dashboard, and you publish your book, both Kindle and paperback, will definitely go live. So if you have a question, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section where I'll be able to take my time to answer each one after the other. And if you find my video useful, helpful, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like my video, and give it a thumbs up. And please, guys, I'm still 300 and something subscriber. We can move it to 1,000 subscriber. Please don't forget, click on the subscribe button. See you in the next video, and bye for now.